Federal Reserve System, stock market. What to expect in the markets. This week, coming up this week, latest jobs data and unemployment rate, minutes from the most recent Fed meeting, updated U.S. GDP estimates, and earnings from Walgreens. Investors will get the latest look at the U.S. labor market when the jobs report is released this week, with more data coming on job openings, initial jobless claims, and private sector payrolls. The Atlanta Fed will release new projections for fourth-quarter gross domestic product, and the Federal Reserve will disclose the minutes from its most recent open market committee meeting. Walgreens, Conagra Brands, Constellation Brands, and UniFirst will report earnings. Markets are closed on Monday for New Year's Day. Following the holiday, investors will open 2024 with a slate of economic data, while corporate earnings will resume. The week will start with the latest projection of U.S. gross domestic product, GDP, from the Atlanta Federal Reserve, with data also coming on construction spending and factory orders. Market watchers will examine the minutes from the latest Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, meeting, giving investors insight into the Fed's most recent interest rate decision. However, the biggest data releases come later in the week, with Friday's U.S. employment report likely attracting the most attention from investors. Before that, market watchers will also get updates on job openings, initial jobless claims, and private sector employment. Walgreens Boots Alliance, Inc. is the largest company to report earnings in the week ahead, with Conagra Brands, Inc. and Constellation Brands, Inc. also scheduled to issue earnings this week.